Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete your Grailed account. Now, here are the detailed steps to delete your Grailed account on the Grailed web app. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and go to www.grailed.com, and it takes you to the website. If prompted, click the login button in the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your email and password or use your Google/Apple credentials if you signed up that way. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your Grailed dashboard or homepage, which I have here. Now, in the upper right corner, you're going to find your profile icon. Hover over the profile icon and click on My Account. Once you click on My Account, it's going to take you to your profile settings or your account settings page. Now, I'd like you to see a couple of things. Like there is no direct command that allows you to delete your Grailed account in the account settings, but you can use the help option. Click on help, and that's pretty much going to take you to the help desk. Once you get into the help desk, I'm going to walk you through the process of asking Grailed to help you delete your Grailed account permanently. In this page, you have What's New at Grailed, Grailed 101, and Manage My Accounts. Now select Manage My Accounts, and it takes you here. Head over to Account Status. What are Grailed badges and how do I get one? How do I delete my account? Click on How do I delete my account? Now it says, we're sorry to see you go. At this time, you can only delete your account through the iOS app. So if you do not have the iOS application, reach out to our team directly. Let us know you do not have an app and we'll be happy to help. So to delete your Grailed accounts via the iOS app, navigate to the Settings tab on the app and scroll to the bottom. You will see an option to either log out or delete your account entirely. If you have any pending sales or purchase, you will not be able to delete your account in 30 days from the last order being marked as delivered. Additionally, once we delete your Grailed account, you cannot make any future accounts with the same email address. That's pretty much it. And if you want to ever reactivate your account, just reach out to help@grailed.com. Now I'm going to click on Reach Out to our team to see how we can submit a request and just let them know they want to delete our account. So in here, enter your email address and the subject matter, I want to delete my account. How can we help? Let them know that I am a buyer with another question or I need to report a technical issue. You can click on that. And after that, in the description, enter a detailed description. Let them know that you want to delete your account and state the reason you want to delete your account. You can add an attachment if possible. That's not compulsory. And once you're done, click on Submit. That's how you can delete your account at this moment on Grailed. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.